Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to prevent users from changing theme in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Control Panel. Click and expand Personalization. Open Prevent Changing Theme. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.